In your computer keyboard, first you must make sure that if your number lock is turned off, you must simply click this number lock and turn on this. The number lock should be enabled. The next step is you must go to your keyboard's left portion where you can see Alt key is written. Alt is written here. You must press and hold this Alt key. That is, it means that you did not remove your finger from this Alt key, and at the same time you can type in this section, that is in the numerical part here. You must type 11985 9. After typing that only you can release your finger from this Alt key. If you open this in Microsoft Word, you can see that this bold, that is a small letter Z have been arrived here, and you can also see that it is in a bold format. So you can create a small letter Z by this method. So typing a Z in bold format, you must use this keyboard shortcut Alt 119859 of this video. So for more videos, please subscribe and Engineers Online. Thank you.